here's your homework for tonight. You're going to use the AI to generate at least 3 versions of your product. You're going to mock up the hero main image. You can do the full listing if you want. If you want to get Midjourney and go through the slides and attempt to do an entire, product image. I think that just like listing, but I think just the hero image is enough for homework. You're not going to identify the suppliers yet. We're going to do that next tomorrow. So don't worry about that part of the homework. And then you're going to score your final product version. We need to edit this. Give me 1 second. I want you just to browse. All right. You don't need to actually come back with anything there. We're going to teach you how to actually communicate, find suppliers in the next class. But you're going to mock up 3 hero images and pick food polls. That's your homework for tonight, guys. Here's a link to the homework. Here's your QR code. Now, if you can, it's been 2 classes. I want you to scan this for me, please, right now, and answer the poll. That's going to help us make this better in the future and make us better. So what don't you like about the class? Really important to answer that. What do you like about it, right? What could be better? What are your key takeaways? Please go answer that. I'm going to give someone a random prize that answers that. So please pull that up, scan it, scan the screen, make it nice and large for you. Please fill that out for me. All right. Now, if you do want to take a poll with extra help from someone on Data Dive, like if you want some extra help and you're watching this, if you're not an Inner Circle member already, Inner Circle members don't need the extra one-on-one necessarily because you get office hours, you get all the stuff. Just come to office hours. But if you're not in the Inner Circle already and you want to have a call with someone for some extra help, go ahead and scan that now. Here's your PickFu. Here's your PickFu link if you need it. You have Data Dive already. You have Jungle Scout. Here's an offer. If you guys aren't in the Inner Circle, you should be. That's our private mastermind. We have hundreds of hours of content, weekly calls, classes every month. You're in a community with amazing sellers, over 300 7- and 8-figure sellers. That is really where you unlock the next part of this journey. Really how you're going to take that product and make it into a 7-figure business. You know, take this brand that you're about to build and bring it into a 7-figure business. This is what we help people do. So I appreciate you guys hanging out tonight. I know we went 3.5 hours. We had a little bit of break. I gave you guys some time to work. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the meantime. URL for homework again, I can do that. Juan, you're gonna need product images, Juan. I think like you can use ChatGPT with an ugly image, it can make it better, but you still need product images. But you can get them from the factory. Just have them send you like white box images from all angles and turn it in. ChatGPT will turn it into a 360 degree. All right, homework is here, and you'll get your homework in the Learn World or in Kajabi as well. Thank you guys. Good luck with the polls. I hope you win because now we're gonna go source those tomorrow. Go browse around Alibaba. We're gonna have some specials. We have a representative from Alibaba coming in that's gonna tell you about the latest AI tools that they have. The best practices for samples, the best practices around like actually sourcing and developing those products, some price points around the customization that you may have done. We're going to get into some of that stuff tomorrow. But over these last 2 classes, you should have potentially, with the homework, found a few potential good products and then designed them to win. This is a numbers game. I'll emphasize one last time. If you research 100 products, you might only find 2 or 3 that you want to launch. So what you did by researching 10 in your homework is just 1/10 the work. You want to constantly be researching, okay? So don't be discouraged if you didn't find something awesome in those 10. It might be the 12th, it might be the 37th, it might be the 95th, right? Go do more work, get to work, build your brand, set yourself free, build $1 million business. All right, guys. Yep, that's what we're doing, Jay. All right, take care.